Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. Children, as you all know, we are learning division and we have started this chapter 3 days back. And we have completed, children, exercise number 5.1, 2 and 3. They were very simple. Okay. So today we are going to start exercise number 5.4, children. So this you can find on page number 89 in your perfect mathematics composite. Okay. So today is, children, 16th August and this is your maths video class 3. Okay, children, and we are doing chapter number 5, division. Children, yesterday we have discussed how to do multiplication single digit with single digit. That we have learned yesterday. Now I will give you one example. How can we do with the single digit? So division by one digit number. Division by one digit number without remainder. Without remainder. Okay, children. So we have discussed, I have given a few examples on the basis of this topic. Now I will give you one more example. How can we do this? I will tell you how can we do this, children. Okay. So first of all, I will give you one example, that is 5 single digit, and we are going to divide this number with 325. Okay. So here, how can we do this? Let's learn, children, today. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, and 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30. Now 5 6 are 30, children. Here you can see. So 2 minus 0 we will get 2 over here. Now this number is remaining over here, so we will just write it over here. So now 5, we will again tell the table of 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, and 5 fives are 25. Now children, here we will write 5 fives are 25. So here you can see remainder nothing. Remainder is 0 over here, nothing is there, and the quotient is 65. Okay, children, quotient is 65. So here, children, you can see the quotient you will get 65. Okay. Now what we have seen yesterday, that we are going to divide this 325 with single digit, children. Single digit के साथ हमने division किया, because 32 is not coming in the table of 5, so that is why we have to tell the table 6 times. 5 6 are 30. Okay. Now 30, because 3 is equally over here, so we are not going to subtract, because when we will subtract we will get 0. So because 2 minus 0 we will get 2, and now 5 we are going to let it down at here, and here 5 fives are 25, this is 0. So here you can see 0 remainder are there. So that is how we can do this. So children, after the thing we are going to start, after the question we are going to start exercise number 5.4. So how can we start, that we are going to learn today. So children, first of all, you just I'm just going to start this exercise. Divide and find the quotient. Exercise number that is 5.4. 5.4 divide and find the quotient. Okay, divide and find the quotient. This is your quotient. Now first, that is written in your book. The first one we are going to do, this is A number 1, 60 divided by 3. Okay, now here we are going to start doing this. Now 60 we are going to place over here and 3 will be here. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6 children. So children, here you can see 0 will be placed over here and nothing will be left. 6 twos are here you can see. Okay, so children, because here it is 0, so what we will do, because here you can see if we will subtract 6 minus 6 we will get 0, so here we will do 6. Now again we will write 0 over here, then we will subtract, what we will get, 0 children. So the quotient is equal to 20 over here. So children, this we have done. Now number 2 we are going to do, children. Number 2 is 80 divided by 4. So let's start, children, doing this. First 4 and 80. Okay, now we will start telling the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Again 2 is there, 4 twos are 8. So children, here you can see 0 we will write over here and this minus nothing we will get. So here 0 will be placed over here. Again we will add 1 0 and 0 0 minus 0. Now here remainder nothing but the quotient we will get over here 20. So the quotient is, we are getting 20 over here. So that is how you can complete this 2 number. Okay, now after that we will do third number. First you complete these 2 numbers and after that we will do third number, children. Okay, it's completed. Second number we have done, exercise number 5.4. So now we will do next number. Take a screenshot. Now we are moving to the third number. Third number is 86 divided by 2, children. 86 divided by 2. So we will do like this. 86 we will write over here and 2 here. Now we are going to tell the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. So 2 fours are 8, children. So now here you can see 6 will be placed. Okay. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Okay, children. So here we will write 0. Quotient we will get 43. Okay. So children, complete it. Take a screenshot. It is as simple as we were doing in our previous number also. So this is 43. Okay, children. 43. माइनस का साइन ज़रूर लगा दीजिएगा because we have to subtract this. Now after that we will do next number, that is number 4. Number 3 we have completed. Okay. Now we are going to do number 4 also. Now children, we are going to do Fourth number, third we have completed. Now fourth number we will do it over here. Fourth number, that is 408 divided by 4. Now here 408. Okay children. Now here children, what we will do first? We will see this is 408. It means it's a big number. So how can this comes in hundreds? Okay. Now here we were doing in tens numbers. Okay. Now here it is 100. It means 408. So how can we do that? We will learn first. First we will do 4 ones are 4. So here when we are minus we will get 0. Now 0 will be placed over here. Okay. Now then 0 we will write, and then 0. 0 minus 0 will get 0. Now again this number will be placed over here. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 children. Now here 4 twos are 8. 8 minus 8 equal to 0 children. Okay. So the answer we will get over here, quotient we will get 108. 108. This is our answer. So children, complete it. Completed children. 102 is the answer. Okay, 102 is the answer. After that we will do number 5. Number 5 we are going to do children. Number 5 is, again this is in hundreds. 248 divided by 2 children. Okay, so let's do this. 248. So 2 ones are 2. When we will subtract we will get nothing. We will write 4 over here. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. When we subtract we will get nothing. Now this will be, okay. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6 and 2 fours are 8. So here children, when we are going to subtract we will get nothing. So here the quotient is quotient equal to 124. So 124 is the answer. Completed children. Completed children. Number 5 we have done. Now after that we are moving to the number 6. Okay, number 5 we have done. Now number 6 we are going to do. Number 6 is 952 multiply by 7. Okay. Now 7 we are going to write 952. So here children, we have to tell the table of 7 how many times. That is much bigger number, 952. Now first of all we will tell the table of 7 one time. 7 ones are 7. Now here 9 minus 7 we will get 2. Again we will write over here 5. Now once again what we will do, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14 and 7 threes are 21. So 21 we are getting over here. So 5 minus 1 is 4 and here nothing we will get. So here we will write over here 2. Okay. Now 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35 and children 7 sixes are 35. After 35 what we will come children? 7 sixes are children 42. Okay, 7 sixes are 42. So now here we will write 7 sixes are 42. Now remainder will be nothing over here and quotient we will get over here 136. Quotient we will get 136 children. So completed. 136 is the answer. Completed children. Okay, 136 children is the answer. First what we have done? First we have done 7 ones are 7. Okay, 2 is remaining over here. Then again we will यहाँ पे ले आए 5. उसके बाद 25 हो गया. 7 threes are 21. Again we will get 4. 2 minus किया 0. 5 and 1 minus 4 आ गया. Now 2 we are going to replace over here 42. 42. 7 6 are 42. So 42 जब हमने minus किया तो nothing will be remaining. So remainder is nothing but quotient we will get 136. Okay children. So 7 number you completed. Now we are moving to the 8 number. 8 number is the question is 714 multiplied by 6 children. Okay. So children, first we will do 714. So first we will see how many times we will do this or tell the table, then this will come. So I think 71 will come later because this is the much bigger than the 6 table. So that is why we will tell the table of 6 one time. 6 ones are 6. 7 minus 6 we will get 1, and now here we are going to write 1 also. So 1 if we will write 1, so again we will do the 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So 12 is much bigger number. So here we will write 6 ones are 6 again. So when we minus it, so 11 minus 5, 6 we will get 5. Now the next number if you will see, that is 4. So here you can see 54 is the remainder. Not remainder we can't say. So 6 ka table again we will tell this time that how many times it will be tell. So here children, when we are going to tell the table of 6, so how many times the 54 will come. So children, let's start telling the table of 6. So children, tell the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, and 6 sevens are 42. And then 6 eights are 48 and 6 nines are 54. 6 nines are 54. So children, 6 nines are 54. Now when we subtract this, nothing will be get. So here the quotient quotient equal to 119. It means 119 after doing this multiplication with 6 to 714. We will get 119. So children, completed this number 8 we have done. Now we are going to do number 9 here. Number 9 we are going to do, children. So let's see which type of the question is on the number 9. So children, at number 9 you can see 635 divided by 5. 635 divided by 5. So we will write over here 5, 635. Okay children. Now 5 ones are 5. First we will start with the hundreds column. So 1 we will get. Now we are going to write over here 13. Okay. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So 10, when we are going to minus it, what we will get? 3, 0. Now here children you can see this is 5 is left. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 twos are 4s are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 30 and 5 sevens are 35. 5 sevens are 35. We are going to minus it, 0 will be remainder. So here the quotient we will get over here 127 children. 127 we will get the quotient. So children, complete it. Take a screenshot. 127 children. Okay. 127 we will get the quotient. Okay. Then we are going to do 10 number. Okay. 10 number अब हम लोग करेंगे. इसको कर लीजिए. Now we are going to do 10 number. At 10 number you can see that is written here 9056. 9056, it's a big number and it is divided by the single digit 8. Okay, this is 9056. It means this is in the thousand digit. 9056 and it is divided by 8. Okay. Now children, let's start doing this. Now 8 is here. 9056. So 8 ones are 8. We are getting over here 1 and we will place over here 10. Again 1 because 1, 8 will get 2. Okay. When we are minus, then we will get 2. Now here we will write 5. Okay. Now children, 25 we will get over here because this 5 will get down over here. So 25. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24 children. Again here nothing will be there. Then 5 minus 4 we will get 1. So here we are going to do this 6 over here. So 8 twos are 16 children. Nothing will be left. It is much bigger than the other one. So here children you can see first what we have done. 8 ones are 8 minus 1. Now 0 we have to write over here. 8 ones are 8. We will get 2. Then 5 we are going to getting down over here. 8 threes are 24. 24 we will get 1 after minus. And 6 we are just getting down over here. Now 6 it means 16. Now 8 2s are 16. So the answer or quotient we will get over here (11) 1132. 1132 children. So completed children. This it's much bigger because this is in the thousand. Again we are going to do, this is also in the thousand. So this is number 11. Number 11 we are going to do. This is 6312 divided by 3. So children, let's start doing 6312. So first of all we will tell the table of 3 one time. We will tell the table of 3 two times because 6 is there. So 6 will be subtracted, we will get nothing, then again 3. So 3 ones are 3, we will get. Now children, 25 we will get over here because this 5 will get down over here. So 25, so 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24 children. Again here nothing will be there, then 5 minus 4 we will get 1. So here we are going to do this 6 over here. So 8 twos are 16 children, nothing will be left. It is much bigger than the other one. So here children you can see first what we have done, 8 ones are 8 minus 1. Now 0 we have to write over here, 8 ones are 8, we will get 2. Then 5 we are going to getting down over here, 8 threes are 24, 24 we will get 1 after minus, and 6 we are just getting down over here. Now 6 it means 16. Now 8 twos are 16. So the answer or quotient we will get over here (11) 1132. 1132 children. So completed children. This it's much bigger because this is in the thousand. Again we are going to do, this is also in the thousand. So this is number 11. Number 11 we are going to do. This is 6312 divided by 3. So children, let's start doing 6312. So first of all we will tell the table of 3 one time. We will tell the table of 3 two times because 6 is there. So 6 will be subtracted, we will get nothing, then again 3. So children, 2s are 6, so we are getting nothing, we will write over here 3, then 1 also, okay, 1 also. So 3 tens are 30, we will get 1 over here, and then nothing will be placed over here, then we will write 2. This we will getting down 2. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, and 3 fours are 12. The answer is 12 children. Okay. So the quotient we will get over here 2104. Okay, 2104. Now children, we are going to do our last question, that is 12 number. 12 number we are going to do. This is also a big number, 9303 divided by 7 children. So first of all we will write 9303 divided by 7. So let's start telling the table of 7. How many times we will get this number, children? So first of all, 7 ones are 7. So we are getting over here 9 minus 7, we will get 2. Then 3 will be placed over here. 7 3s are 21.